stopped on top of a ridge and then we just pulled over on the side of the road, and literally there weren't even a path like this. We just climbed over the guardrail and went down.
We're Justin
and Trina with the Ox and the Fox. In October of 2023, we camped in a place called At the Ridge Campground off of Highway 215 in beautiful Balsam Grove, North Carolina.
While there, one afternoon we decided to take a motorcycle ride up the mountain with the intention of riding on the Blue Ridge Parkway.
However, our plan changed when we ventured down the side of a mountain.
Bubbling Creek Falls.
Down the mountain, huh?
Down the side of a mountain. Literally.
Yeah. That's like...
You coming? That camera's not going to show it how steep that is. Maybe on the way back up and just show the side of the mountain you got to climb.
Well, I tell you, I got to get down off of that.
Yeah, you got that close to that.
I need a head mount.
Yeah.
What'd you say the name of the falls was?
Bubbling Creek Falls.
And where are you?
the Pisgah National Forest, Highway 215, just on the north side of Blue Ridge Parkway.
Yeah, we chose not to go down the Blue Ridge Parkway. Instead, we wanted to do this because we'd never done it before.
It's hard for me because I always go back to things I know. Just easier. I know it's nice. Sometimes the most fun is just finding places like this. Or exploring.
Well, we always do things difficult, don't we, though?
Yep, the hard way.
On this to the bottom. So that is what we came down. I'll get to the very, very bottom and turn back up. We're still going down, ain't we?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is beautiful in here.
It is pretty. Hold on. Let me turn back and go up that mountain. Yeah. We did that. So we're gonna go see where this carries us.
Bet the Forest Service don't know about that, do they?
I bet they do once they do that fire. It's pretty though, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It is.
Beautiful in here. We definitely have not been here.
Nope.
Hold your hand. Please don't take it. Show you guys.
How do you think the locals are getting here to swim on this, in this swimming hole? The way we came? I don't know.
We started this channel as a journal for our 3 grandchildren, Danny Leif, Eleanor, and Gunnar. You're not promised tomorrow, so spend every day taking in the wonder and beauty all around you. Just know that sometimes you have to venture off the beaten path.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.